Do you dream about a life where you never have to work, but you still make wealth? Well, my friend, you are not alone to dream of that ideal life. The good thing is that you can make that dream come true. Stay with me until the end of this video, and today I will tell you how. Welcome to Wealthy Pace, the source of inspiration, education, and motivation. The ideal version of life where you don't have to work anymore is entirely attainable. So the thing is, when it comes to work, there are two types of people: those who love their job and the others who hate it. Unfortunately, only a small percentage of people love what they do. Even those who love their jobs get tired at times and wish they could just quit or take some time off. Ask anyone if they could have it their way, and they will tell you that they would quit if they never had to work again. But of course, people need money, and they just cannot quit their jobs, no matter how badly they want. Well, my friend, times have changed now. We are already welcoming 2023. And do you know what 2023 holds for you? Well, the answer might be a lot of money through some side hustles or maybe investment. The fact is that most people make enough money just to pay their monthly bills. The idea of making a lump sum of money for investments to get out of the rat race is a fallacy for them. Most people just spend all their lives doing one job and later depend upon government pensions to make both ends meet. The important thing for you is to build your assets so that one day you are able to quit your job and do whatever you like. So, what I suggest is that you should make 2023 the year when you take the first step toward financial freedom. Look for profitable investments that can ensure maximum fortune in the minimum possible time. But what are those lucrative investments? Well, lucky for you that today I have come up with something that can make you a lot of wealth if you followed it. But before I further dive in, make sure you are not missing out my daily videos on this channel that I daily come up with, and that can change your life for the better and have a wonderful future. So make sure you are subscribed. Let's begin with the list. Number 1. Making money online and starting online businesses. If you have a laptop and an internet at home, I guarantee you that you can make money nowadays even on your bed. And if someone is missing this out, he or she is just wasting their time. It's not difficult at all to make money online in 20th century. All you need to do is to commit and to start today. Don't wait for the 1st of January 2023. The start might be hard. Remember that only first step is hard, and things start to becoming easier when you stay consistent and trust in yourself. The internet world has revolutionized the market for good. Honestly, it has never been easier to start a business than it is today. And due to the ability to combine value and scale through an internet business, it is a must for you if you are seeking financial freedom. Although you want to quit your job as soon as you can, you still cannot rely on a newly started business. Besides, you would need money for investment in the initial stages for some businesses. That means you must create systems that will keep running without much of your involvement. For instance, you can start an e-commerce shop and hire a web designer to build your job, and an assistant to conduct product research and dealings with customers and suppliers. Meanwhile, you can sit back and operate the system financially, or you can create videos on YouTube, or hire someone to manage your blog. But here's the secret tip as well. If you have some skill, even a little bit creativity, you can sign up on freelancing website and earn some money from there that you might use on your newly started business as an investment. So you might be wondering how the online business would make money given all the expenses of hiring a team to run it. Well, the thing is that online businesses run differently than traditional ones. With immense outreach of the internet, you can still make a sizable profit with others running your business. The only work you need to do is to find the business idea most suitable to you and hire a team that can work with maximum efficiency. The important thing is that you reinvest the money you make from your online business to make more profits eventually. You can also start by becoming freelancer on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and more, where you can do some side hustle and provide the services that you want to. All you need is to give your time, be consistent, and of course, we all know patience is the key. I would like you to reach out to me via comments below, and honestly feel free to ask me questions, and I will answer you and definitely provide help with suggestions or something similar that you might need in the comments section below. Number 2, real estate. Real estate deserves a prominent position in your work-free portfolio. I know you have already heard much about how amazing real estate investment is. Well, its importance cannot be more emphasized. Believe me, real estate has the potential to enable you to live your work-free dream life sooner than you can imagine. So you should know that real estate, especially residential real estate, has a lot of potentials to work in the investor's favor. The obvious reason is that the price of real estate property will eventually increase as time passes. Also, the residence is a basic need, so the demand for residential real estate is always going to be the demand for new housing. So the bottom line is that real estate can be a great facilitator for you to achieve your dream of a work-free life. The best thing about real estate is that it is not hard to figure out how this asset works. I mean, for sure, identifying good deals might take some time, but let's face it, screening tenants and setting up a rental agreement will take much less effort than understanding other businesses. But of course, like every investment, it has its drawbacks too. The first thing that comes to mind in that respect is its high capital barrier to entry. For a business like real estate, you would probably need tens of thousands of dollars, which is impossible for a majority of people until their later years. Well, if you have enough money, this is how real estate will help you live your dream life. So, if you decide to quit your job, you would still be needing to pay your bills, right? This is where rental income will come into action. The rule is that you can charge 1% of the total property's worth every month as rent. But that can still be insufficient for your monthly needs, which brings me to talk about the other investments that are on the list. Number 3. Stocks. Well, stocks can be a lucrative investment for many reasons. In case you are investing in real estate as well, I would prefer you to go for growth stock as your best shot rather than going for dividend stocks. It is because dividend stocks tend to grow at a much slower rate because instead of reinvesting them back into the company, they are paying them out to shareholders instead. So to get a sizable profit from dividend stocks, most of the responsibility will be on your shoulders. On the other hand, with growth stocks, there is much less reliance on your own capital investments to see your portfolio rise over time. In fact, if you pick the right stocks, your portfolio can grow at exponential rates without a ton of capital being invested. Well, isn't that great for your work-free life goal? Your stock portfolio should add to your income coming from online business. The good thing is that with ventures like online business and real estate complementing your stock portfolio, your dream to get rid of the job that you hate is attainable in near future. I understand that you do not want to work for years ahead to achieve that goal. Well, the good news is that now you have the idea and investment framework. The best part of this investment is that your income would exceed your expenses. The key to this successful business venture is that it is for the best that you start as early as possible. Acquiring real estate properties is no easy task, and running an online business also takes time. Besides, financial freedom cannot be achieved in a matter of days. It takes time. The important thing to remember is that the longer you wait, the longer you will be stuck in the job you hate. So my friend, make 2023 a year of investments that would take you closer to your ultimate goal of financial freedom. That's all from this video. Proceed to this video to know about the investments better than cash, where you should invest instead of holding cash. Good luck.